Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at the Ring stick-up camera. It's a battery-operated HD security camera, has great privacy controls, simple setup, and it works with your Echo device. You're seeing Watson, my best buddy, showing it off in his house, and this thing is absolutely fantastic. Now, I've seen the people use these indoor and out. One guy even mounted it on his roof. Interesting. Has over 35,000 ratings currently and a 4.5-star average on Amazon. It's available with device only or with the Echo Show 5. You can get 1 or 2 cameras, so make your selection, and it comes in both black and white. So what's so special about this? Now, first off, if you have this set with the right settings, it can last several months without needing a recharge. That means you can have a security camera any place. If you have a flat surface, you can set it on there. If you've got a wall, you can mount it to the wall. So that's absolutely fantastic. I've been a big fan of a Ring ever since these folks showed up on Shark Tank, and they're just huge. So let me read a little bit about this. It says, add security to your home inside and out with this versatile stick-up cam battery and HD security camera with motion-activated notifications and two-way talk. Its wire-free design means you can place it virtually anywhere and never have to worry about being close to an outlet. So that's something we should state is, first off, really easy to set up. I've had an opportunity to look at a lot of different cameras, and sometimes you get the off-brand and you get what you pay for. This thing is easy to set up, which is an absolutely, it's a gift when it comes down to it being able to set this thing up easily. Also, the two-way talk, you can easily tell the kids, hey, stay out of the fridge. Hey, come in from playing ball. It's time for dinner. Or if there's somebody walking up to your house and you don't want them there, you can say, no, thank you, go away, no soliciting, whatever you want to tell them. So that's absolutely fantastic. And just the presence of a security camera can reduce crime by 85%. So just having that there, people are going to do less crazy things, including your kids, if you want to keep an eye on them. It's 1080p, HD two-way talk, real-time notifications, so you can get pop-ups on your phone when a person enters the screen. Quick release battery pack, so you can just charge it easy. And like I said, it ties into your Echo device, and you can watch it on your phone, whether that's an iPhone or an Android. It also has advanced motion detection, which means you can customize motion zones to find an ideal setting for your home. So for example, if you've got one area of the garage you don't want anyone going by your car, you just set a zone and you'll get a notification if anyone goes by your car. That can be great with kids, family, or just keeping people out of your stuff. You know, you don't want anyone going into your bedroom. Set a zone on screen, and if anybody moves around that door, you're going to get notified. You do have the option to set up the Ring protection plan, share and save videos, and activate video recording. Security and privacy controls. The app is super simple, and it's a free download. Ring does a great job of being the best security cam on the market. Okay. Install time is usually about 5 minutes. It didn't take me long. Thousands and thousands of reviews, and this thing works on any 2.4 gigahertz network, and most likely your Wi-Fi is going to work just fine with it. It does require high-speed internet, but most of us have high-speed internet by now. So go ahead. You're going to love this. I love it. Watson loves it. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. Adios, amigos.